How to change the language in Deepseek. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to change the language in Deepseek. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch your web browser on your device and click on the search bar at top of your screen. Simply type in deepseek.com and press enter on your keyboard. And make sure that you log into your account by clicking on the Start Now button at bottom left. Now you will reach on the official interface of Deepseek, where you see My Profile at bottom left once you have logged in. From this menu bar, simply type in Setting option. You need to click on General section, and here you will get the option of language. Currently we have set to System. Click on System and then the arrow next to it, and here you will get three options to change language in Deepseek. You can make it to English, Chinese, or the system. So let's choose English. And then we have successfully changed language in Deepseek. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.